Excuse me, sir. Could you help me for a moment?
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I just arrived in London and my phone battery died.
That is unfortunate. Were you using it for directions?
Yes, I was trying to find my hotel near King Street.
Do you remember the hotel name?
Yes, it is called the Blue Star Hotel.
I know that area. It is not very far from here.
That is wonderful news.
First, walk straight down this road.
Okay, go straight.
You will pass a cafe on your right.
A cafe on my right.
Then continue until you see a post office.
Continue until the post office.
Exactly.
What should I do after the post office?
Turn left at the corner next to the post office.
Turn left at the corner.
After that, continue walking for several minutes.
How far is it from there?
About 10 minutes on foot.
That sounds manageable.
You will see several shops along the way.
Should I look for any specific landmark?
Not yet, just follow the road.
All right.
If you become confused again, do not hesitate to ask someone else.
Thank you. Everyone has been very kind.
London is usually friendly to visitors.
I appreciate your help very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay in London.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Good luck finding your hotel.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Certainly. What can I do for you?
I am trying to find the Blue Star Hotel.
Have you been walking for long?
Yes, and I think I may have taken a wrong turn.
That happens to many visitors.
I was told to turn left at the post office,
That part sounds correct.
but now I am not sure where I am.
Let me see if I can help.
Thank you very much.
Do you remember passing a bookstore?
No, I do not think so.
You should look for an old bookstore nearby.
An old bookstore?
Yes, it has large display windows.
All right.
Walk straight until you find it.
Then what should I do?
Turn right when you reach the bookstore.
Turn right at the bookstore.
Exactly.
Will I be close to King Street then?
Very close.
That is good to hear.
You should also see a pharmacy on the way.
A pharmacy and then the bookstore.
Correct.
Thank you for explaining it so clearly.
You are welcome.
I hope this is the last time I get lost.
Travelling is an adventure.
That is true.
Enjoy London.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Excuse me, could you help me with some directions?
Of course. Where are you trying to go?
I am looking for King Street and the Blue Star Hotel.
I know that hotel.
Really, that is great.
You look a little tired.
I have been walking for quite a while.
Did you get lost?
Yes, more than once.
London can be confusing for first-time visitors.
I am starting to understand that.
Where did you come from?
I am from Brazil.
Nice. Is this your first visit to England?
Yes, it is.
How do you like London so far?
I love it, but I would like it more if I knew where my hotel was.
Fair enough.
I think I misunderstood some directions.
Tell me where you came from.
I started at Baker Street Station.
Okay,
Then I walked past a cafe and a post office.
that sounds right.
After that, I asked a woman for help.
Good idea.
She told me to find a bookstore and turn right.
Did you turn at the bookstore?
Yes.
Then I know what happened.
What happened?
There are two bookstores in this area.
2 bookstores?
Yes,
I think I found the wrong one.
that is probably the problem.
I cannot believe it.
Do not worry, you are actually very close now.
Really?
Yes, go back to the bookstore.
Okay.
Then continue straight until you reach a traffic light.
A traffic light.
Correct.
What comes after that?
Turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left.
Then walk past a small supermarket.
Past the supermarket.
Exactly.
And then
You will see a large blue street sign.
King Street?
Yes.
Finally.
The Blue Star Hotel is next to an Italian restaurant.
Thank you for your patience.
You are welcome.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Blue Star Hotel.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I am much better now.
That sounds interesting.
I spent the afternoon trying to find this hotel.
Oh no, did you get lost?
Several times.
That must have been frustrating.
It was, but I learned a lot of English.
That is a positive way to look at it.
I try to stay optimistic.
Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, I do.
What is your name, please?
Lucas Silva.
May I see your passport?
Certainly.
Thank you. I found your reservation.
Great.
You will be staying with us for 5 nights.
That is correct.
Breakfast is included with your room.
Wonderful.
We also offer free Wi-Fi.
That will be useful.
Here is your key card.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Hello, Lucas.
Hi, Mom.
How was your first day in London?
It was unforgettable.
That sounds promising.
My phone battery died after I left Baker Street Station.
Oh no,
I could not use my map.
that must have been stressful.
A little, but I stayed calm.
Good.
Then I asked people for directions.
In English?
Yes.
I am proud of you.
Thank you.
Were people helpful?
Very helpful.
That is wonderful.
One man told me to go straight and turn left.
Useful directions.
Then a woman helped me find a bookstore.
Did that solve the problem?
Not exactly.
What happened?
There were 2 bookstores.
That sounds confusing.
It was.
Then what did you do?
I asked another person for help.
Good idea.
He showed me the correct route.
And then?
I finally found King Street and the hotel.
Excellent.
Today I learned that simple English is very powerful.
That is true.
I feel much more confident now.
I knew you could do it.
Tomorrow I am going to explore the city.
Take lots of pictures.
I will.
And keep your phone charged.
Definitely.
Have a wonderful time in London.
Thank you, Mom.